Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn doubling and halving together, step by step. Here's a clever idea you'll love. If you double one factor and halve the other, the product doesn't change at all. Picture a rectangle, stretch it twice as long but make it half as wide, and the area is exactly the same. So we can keep swapping until the numbers turn nice and round. Let's see it work. 16 times 25 looks awkward. Halve the 16 to 8, double the 25 to 50, now it's 8 times 50. Do it again. Halve 8 to 4, double 50 to 100. 4 times 100 is 400. Easy. Sometimes one swap is all you need. 24 times 5, halve the 24 to 12, double the 5 to 10. Now it's 12 times 10, which is just 120. One little swap turned a hard problem into a snap. Now think along with me. 36 times 25. Halve 36 to 18, double 25 to 50, halve again 18 to 9, double 50 to 100. 9 times 100 is 900. Nicely done. So here's the whole trick. Have one factor while you double the other, and keep going until you reach a round number like 10, 50, or 100. Just remember, you can only have even numbers cleanly. Pick the swap that lands you somewhere round, and the answer falls right out. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.